back to another video. So today in Built by Miller Garage, we're gonna work on the RX-7. And when I say work on it, we're really just throwing this thing on. It's called RX MOCHI. I saw this thing on Instagram. I thought it looked kind of cool. I figured I'd try it out. I usually don't put stuff like this on my car, but this thing looked kind of cool. I figured I'd just try it out. We'll see here. I'm gonna show it to you real quick. All right, so here's the RX MOCHI. Pretty cool looking box. Got some cool stuff on it on the side. Reminds me of Gundams if you've ever built a Gundam before. They're like the little models that you kind of build all the time. Pretty cool looking. That's kind of what attracted me to this thing, was the fact that it was modeled after a Gundam. So opening the box, this is what you get inside. First thing is this little freaking startup manual, right, for version 2, which, spoiler alert, I already plugged this thing in once, and it doesn't actually have any of these faces listed on here. It's got the Gundam faces, so, and I'll show you what that looks like. But here's a little menu that comes with it. It's got all these little different faces. I think that's if you buy a different version. I'm not really sure why this specific book is in there. But opening up the box, little MOCHI head that looks like a Gundam. You get this little cord. These two little sticky pad things for sticking to somewhere inside your car. And I'm gonna put this thing on top of my steering column. And here's the little Gundam head thing where the thing plugs in. Just like the directions show, there's supposed to be a button on the side, but this one doesn't have that. Pretty cool looking. All right, let's see what it looks like installed in the car. All right, so that's what it looks like installed. Little RX MOCHI little head. It's looking pretty busy up there between the MOCHI head, the air fuel ratio, the air fuel ratio gauge, and the boost controller. And then even on the side, I'm not sure if you can see it right here, I got a little mic for the GPS. You probably can't even see that. That's right there. So a lot of crap clustered on there. It's just a little sticky tape. Just stuck it on there. Hopefully, with time, it'll settle in and stick. Let's see what it looks like when you start it up. Cool. So yeah, if you're wondering what that thing looks like, that's it. And don't know if I'll run that thing forever, but it might be fun just to have on there. Kind of look at it, watch it do different weird stuff while I'm driving. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how I like it. Well, that's it. Wanted to do something a little different, a little RX-7 video. Let me know if you want to see more of the RX-7. Drop it in the comments and we'll see you in the next one.